Hey guys, Steve here with MuseThemes. Welcome to probably the easiest widget demo that I will ever get to do. So I'm going to savor this one. It's probably only about 30 seconds long. So this widget is called the Text Selection Highlighter. So I've used a template here called Club Hero that's available on our site. And if we preview this page in the browser, I'm going to select some text and show you how that looks. So this yellow on black text here, if I select it, you can see that it has kind of this strange tan background color with the yellow text over top. Really doesn't look very good. Now, this is a kind of a neat utility that allows you to actually change that highlight color and to change the color of the text over top. So in our library file, let's scroll down to number 49, which is the text selection highlighter. And if we drag that on the page, we get this very simple icon that shows a highlighter. Now, of course, as with most of our widgets, you can actually kind of have this floating off to the side of the canvas. And you have two options. You have a highlighted text color and you have a highlighted background color. So based on my example before, I'm sure you can kind of gather what these mean. The highlighted text color is what the text over top is going to look like, and the background color will be the background when you are selected. So let's match these to the brand of this site. So the highlight color, let's say we maybe want that to be black. So let's set that to 000000. Okay. Now the highlighted background color, we'll need something that black's going to show up on. So let's select maybe this blue. So let me just get the blue kind of color here. So if I double click on that, you can see that it's 00FFFF. So I'll just copy that. And I'm going to undo that background fill change. Okay. And let's go ahead and paste that in. 00FFFF. Okay. And there you go. So now when we preview this in the browser and we go ahead and highlight some text, you can see that the highlight color is this bright, vibrant blue and the text over top is black. So super simple to use and kind of a nice way to tie in a little aspect of your site that some people may not realize to your brand colors. Thanks again and enjoy. Cheers.